puppuccino? Is that what you're waiting for? You're waiting for your puppuccino? It's coming. It's coming. Cool. I know, you're licking your choppies. I think they're making it. Hey, it's Stephanie here, and it is October 10th, and I did a little haul at Michael's. So I thought I'd get a video shot quickly and post it out there to keep it timely. So I love fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, all of it. And this year I'm doing something a little bit different. I usually love to buy all these gorgeous and beautiful real pumpkins, gourds, all of it, you name it. But this year we didn't get out to the apple orchards or pumpkin farms to get any, and you have to kind of go far out because I'm in the city and pumpkin prices are just outrageous for the real ones. They end up, you know, they're gonna die and you have to toss it when you're done. So this year I have to have a couple of real ones. So I have a real medium-sized orange pumpkin and a couple of smaller ones. But I invested more in these foam craft pumpkins this year. And today, Michael's had a deal, and it said that it was only from today till today, 10/10. These pumpkins were originally, this teal one was originally $20 and it was on sale for $8 today, and it's already painted teal. Last year I painted a couple of white pumpkins teal, so now I don't even have to paint this teal. This will be really cute for a cute little modern look, even with like polka dots or zigzags, chevrons, whatever. So I thought this was fun. And of course, then this little tiny black one, the smaller ones, this was only $4. I mean, this is great. So I got these two, and then I got a really pretty, a little bit more of a different shape, more round and squat sort of with the white one. I love white pumpkins. So I got that. That was also $8. This giant one, which is normally $30, was only $12. So yeah, I did really well with the pumpkins. And then they had in-store specials for decorative pumpkins that were 60% off. So these are gorgeous. Again, $20 like a normal regular price. It's got sort of like a little gilded metallic stem. Really pretty. And these are decorative. I'm going to put them probably on top of the bookcase downstairs and do a little vignette. So I got this one and then a little bit of a smaller one. I love the colors of these. I mean, for inexpensive, well, now that they're on sale, but they weren't inexpensive before, but they're really well done. These actually look, except for the metallic stems, but they look realistic. So those are gorgeous. So I got these two. Those are all the pumpkins. Oh, except for this little fabric one. Plaid fabric. So cute. All of this stuff too can hang around not only through Halloween but through Thanksgiving. So we're gonna get like almost a full 2 months of this. And even this little guy with the plaid, I mean, this one can even hang around through Christmas. Then these guys, I love these little acorns. I got these last year early and I paid full price for these guys because I loved them so much and I didn't want a chance waiting for them to go on sale. They were gone. So I saw these and they were 60% off, so I got a couple more. They didn't have very many left. They only have probably one more left there. But they're so beautiful. So I can add these to my collection. I already got like about 3 others of these. So they're really cute acorns. And then I just got a couple more things. These also, more acorns. I love acorns as well as pumpkins. Last year I collected a bunch of real acorns. I had all these great intentions of, you know, because when you collect them from the wild or outdoors, you're supposed to bake them at a low temperature for a couple of hours to kill any of the little bugs and mites and critters that are definitely on the insides, and they will come out and cause problems if you do not sterilize them by baking them in the oven. So I totally got busy, forgot about those acorns, and then a few weeks later I found the bag. It was on the back porch and it was too late. They had all molded. It was gross. So yeah, no more of the real things. It's a lot of work. So these look really great and beautiful and inexpensive. And then I wanted to pop a color in that arrangement. So they also have these little cute little metallic orange pumpkins that I'll put in this rest of this. I've got a pumpkin ceramic dish. It kind of comes up on the sides almost like a little bowl. So these will go in there. And this weekend I'll be carving pumpkins with family, and I got these cute little bling stickers. I think these are meant for like scrapbooking and stuff, day planners or whatever, but they're just stickers, and I used one of my 40% off because these were at regular price. And look at even these colors on this teal pumpkin. How cute are these gonna look, all blinged out on the pumpkins. I love it. I'm so excited. And then the last little things I got were just a little bit more paint. I have like tons of these acrylic paints, but we used up all of the purple last Halloween. So I got more purple, orange, and black, your standard Halloween colors. So for any pumpkin painting we do, and foam, these foam brushes are great to have for that. And then I'll probably make some muffins, and I got these cute little cats muffin cups. So I did really well. I'm really excited about my little haul, and it said, my receipt said I saved $99, but let's be real. I mean, the original prices stamped on the tags are rarely sold at that price. However, except for the early birds, and when they first bring this stuff out at the first part of the season, then people might pay regular price for these. But otherwise, like, I mean, probably a week after they've had them on the shelves, they start marking them down already to 30. Actually, I did see Christmas decorations there marked down already to 30% off, and we're October 10th for Christmas. So anyway, I just wanted to enjoy fall, Halloween, and Thanksgiving before I get too crazy with the Christmas stuff. So that's my haul, and it's from Michael's. So have fun with your pumpkin gathering, but I'm really excited about all my great pumpkin finds and at reasonable prices, because these things I mean, once you start adding them up, it's just like when you're at the pumpkin farm and I'm like grabbing all these pumpkins, green ones, gray ones, white ones, and then we like go leave there with like paying $100. That's crazy. It kills me. And then when they're not even going to last, these are going to be here next year. So I'm really excited, and they really look so real. All right, you guys have a great October, and you can leave some comments down below and let me know what your great finds are and what you do for your Halloween preparation and decorations and traditions. And I will talk to you next time. Bye.